Welcome to pretty Charmouth Camping and Caravanning Club site, located in an ideal spot for exploring Dorset's Jurassic coastline, a World Heritage Site. Surrounded by rolling hills, this well-maintained campsite has 150 level, spacious pitches with a good mixture of grass and hard standing, as well as all-weather gravel pitches suitable for tents. Amenities include a laundry, children's play area and dog walk. And if you want to keep in touch whilst you're away, this site offers super fast broadband. Just a short drive from the site is Charmouth Beach. Take a trip to the Charmouth Heritage Coast Centre, which features information on fossils and the coastal and marine wildlife. Nearby are the popular resorts of Lyme Regis to the west and Weymouth and West Bay to the east. Inland, the rolling Dorset countryside is ideal for walking. For a great day out, head to the beautiful Forde Abbey and Gardens. For some family fun, Abbotsbury Swannery is ideal for children and is home to the world's only managed colony of nesting mute swans. Whether you're looking for a fun family holiday or a peaceful, relaxing break, Charmouth Camping and Caravanning Club site will provide your perfect holiday.